What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, I just glanced over here in the little cold drinks cooler, and I noticed we have a variety of Jelly Belly flavored waters. We have cherry, watermelon, and orange sherbet. We also have protein water, 15 grams of plant protein. We also have our usual Rippets, including sugar-free Rippets. We have Twisted Punch. We have Yoo-Hoos. We have Monster Energy Espressos. We have Propels that are zero sugar and electrolyte enriched. We have Stacker 2s. We have Rockstar Energy. We have a lot, you guys. Cadbury Caramello. Whenever I see Cadbury, I'm just like, hey, Easter's almost here. I feel like one of you was telling me about the Kool-Aid gum as well, that you really liked it. It's here. And the Trident Black Raspberry Twist gum is here as well. If you guys missed my last video, go ahead and click right here. I was showing items down the hygiene aisle. I was showing lotions and deodorants, mom stash first aid items, new body washes, new hand soaps. And then I ended with the candies, and I did find quite a bit of new candies, specifically new chocolate varieties. So if you're a chocolate lover, go back to my last video towards the end and you'll see the new candy here at Dollar Tree. We have hearing aid batteries here. I had a coworker at one point that had a hearing aid, and I remember him saying that not only were the batteries hard to get a hold of, but they were also very expensive. So I don't know too much about hearing aid batteries, but we have the PR10, the PR13, and the PR312 from Panasonic here. 0% HG, I'm not really sure what that means, but yes, we do have hearing aid batteries, as well as some button cell batteries, CR2032 and CR2025 by Panasonic, both lithium batteries. Those can be really hard to find. A lot of the button batteries over the years that I needed, I just had to buy on eBay or Amazon. These are new, Samai Veggie Chips with sea salt. We have plantain or plantain. If you're from Jamaica, I know you say plantain. So we have plantain, we have sweet potatoes, we have yucca and taro. Veggie chips, 2 ounces. They look really nice. Hi to all my viewers and my subscribers watching from Jamaica, Trinidad and Tobago, Barbados, all of my amazing, wonderful people watching. I love you guys so much. You guys are super loyal to my channel, and I really love you for it. I appreciate your comments, and I love when you guys tell me where you live. I love knowing that we have viewers from all over the world watching. So hi again, and much love to you and your families if you have family members that like my channel as well. I love it when these are here because these are super delicious. My family really likes those, and I believe they cost a little bit more at Walmart. Okay, I actually just bought some the other day. Nacho corn nuts. We have lots of Harvest Snaps, pita chips, pretzel nuggets, salted caramel bites, mini Chips Ahoy. We have cinnamon sugar Stacy's. Everything is sounding really great to me right now. Oh my gosh, you guys. Garlic, Parmesan, pretzel crisps. We have coconut chips by the brand Azul. Original toasted flavor, 1.4 ounces. Nice. I love seeing new products in here. We have a ton of water and a ton of alkaline water. We have regular water as well. Brands like Icelandic and Nestle and Niagara and anything else? Aquafina. We also have Propel water. That's water with electrolytes. And we have a nice variety of mixes, little drink mix sticks. Everything from Hawaiian Punch to Country Time to Sunkissed to my favorite, Blue Raspberry from Starburst. We also have Canada Dry, Cranberry. We have Orange Peach Mango by Sunkissed, all very good. One of you suggested to me, and thank you so much, one of you suggested to me the True Lemon drink mix. I don't see it here. I definitely would like to try it, but one of you suggested it to me in my efforts to lose weight. Oh my gosh, you guys, those are definitely new. I've been a really good girl lately. I pretty much just, you know, I do my thing on Weight Watchers. I'm only down 4.5 pounds. I really don't want to talk about it too much, because when you're losing weight and someone else is as well, it's awesome to hear about. But when you're not, it's kind of like, whatever, you know. I don't want to bore you guys, but oh my gosh, you guys, Philadelphia water ice, mango premium Italian ice, 0 fat, 0 protein, 27 grams of sugar and 27 grams of added sugar, 31 grams of carbs. I mean, I'm not going to be having any right now, but these are new. Mango, water ice, blue Hawaiian, cherry, and lemon. Wow. And then we have vanilla, butter pecan, cookies and cream, chocolate fudge, unicorn, birthday cake, orange sherbet. These, don't get me wrong, I still treat myself, but when I do, and I love that they have the single mochis here. When I do, I normally choose Snickers. Yes, because Snickers is my favorite candy bar in the whole entire world. Yes, my mom introduced me to Snickers, and it has been my favorite ever since. Extra creamy Cool Whip, that's new. Fridge fresh for 2 weeks. I'm trying to think, what am I gonna have when I go home? I don't know what I'm gonna have. I had eggs already today. I'm not sure. My kids usually have pizza on my errand days. They always want me to bring home pizza. And I got some pizza from Aldi, so that's what they're gonna be having. Stay Cool Watermelon. Ooh, more limited edition sprays. This one smells amazing. If you guys caught my last live haul from home, I shared that in my luxurious self-care haul. That was an item I just had to get. Yeah, you guys, well, I think I ended up with these for now. And I was gonna ask Birdy if she wanted any of them or not. So I'm coming back to the aisle where I found them. Actually, it wasn't this aisle at all. It was this aisle. I might Google those, see how much those go for on Amazon. Maybe look at a review really quick and decide if I want to get one or not. Or see if she even wants this color. She might have fun playing around with it. Color me pink and color me purple. If you guys are brand new to the channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I love you guys all so much. Thank you for being here. Thanks for spending some of your day with me. If there's anything you want to see the next time I come to Dollar Tree, please request it down below. I know I do have viewers that are disabled. I have some viewers, hi Donna, if you're watching, that are blind. Donna has shared that with me, and I know I have a lot of viewers that have transportation issues, let me know down in the comments what I can show you, and I will do my very best to help you out. But all right, you guys, I love you. Again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.